movie event here at HSN, and look who's joining us.
Hi,
Alexandra Baker, your home BFF.
Yes, I am.
And Alexandra has brought along some beautiful either collectibles or collectibles that you can actually use every single day.
Actually use
in your set of 4 porcelain mugs, or you can get the 4 plates. We suggest you go ahead and get both the mugs and the plates so that you can have the entire collection.
Absolutely. This is our set of 4 of the beautiful mugs that you can see. These are the obviously inspired by Alice Through the Looking Glass and Disney, and also the set of plates. You're receiving all of 4. Now, this is what takes me back. You'll choose whether you want the mugs or the plates, and if you can, do both. But look at the artwork on the plates. That is what it's all about. Look at how beautiful. So we have the most iconic characters from the movie featured on the plates, and it coordinates with the mugs. So you can see here we have the Mad Hatter.
That's right.
And we have our beautiful Red Queen. Look at this artwork. Can you see the detail, the vibrancy of the color? Isn't that beautiful?
You can almost hear her saying, "Off with their heads."
Off with their heads for sure. She's pointing in the right direction. Of course, the rabbit in his beautiful blue waistcoat. The vibrant color, hard to believe which one is your choice. And then, of course, look at Cheshire Cat.
Look at that. Oh, look at him.
If you'll notice, he's a very... he's a smaller cat.
Yes.
Isn't he pretty? I don't think I can say more than that. That's all I'm going to say. Isn't
You've got to go see the movie this Friday.
Vibrant and beautiful. But I want you to see, very durable. You can use this day in and day out. Use them morning, noon, and night. You can use them all the time. I want you to be the mom or the hostess or the grandma that is bringing home something a little bit different. Because, you know, sometimes we're thinking of a movie launch or a movie premiere. We want to be part of it. We want to bring these items into our home. And oftentimes it's done with a DVD or a doll or a t-shirt. No, no, no. I want you to step it up a notch and bring these plates into your home and be the mom, be the hostess, be the grandmother that is offering something to your kids or your grandchildren that's a little bit different. So use these all the time. Notice that beautiful scalloped edge that's going all the way around. It's not just a round plate. You see that?
Well, again, it's all the detail. And when you go see the movie, you're going to see so much detail. You're going to probably have to see it a couple times because you're going to say, oh, I didn't see that the first time. Or everywhere you look, there's detail. And so, of course, when it comes to the plates that you see, it only makes sense that it wouldn't be something basic. It would be something extra special.
A little above and beyond. And also, I'll be able to read. We're going to go over the cart and show you how beautiful you can have them set up. But each of the mugs have a little saying on the back of the mugs.
Oh, very nice.
And I'll read that. And also, if you'll notice, we had some treats, you know, because we're showing so many beautiful items, so many beautiful food items and decadent desserts and these lovely teas that we're featuring in these Disney plates. But I want you to see on the mugs, and this is a tankard-styled mug, which means it's a little bit wider on the top. It's got a larger base on the bottom. It's got the rest right here for your thumb.
Nice.
And it's a 16-ounce mug.
Good.
That's a nice size mug. So, Mommy, if you want to make, you know, what's that thing called now? A Moscow Mule. Everybody's drinking Moscow Mules. Put your Moscow Mule in here if you want. The kiddos don't have to know. But on the back of each mug, you'll see Beyond the Mirror, and that's reminiscent. Every time you see Beyond the Mirror, we're talking about the Red Queen. Every time we see on the back, we're mad here. There's a theme, we're mad here. Of course, you know you're getting the Mad Hatter. And then on the back of our fabulous, well-dressed rabbit, we've got Looking for Wonderland. So that motif and that inspiration is on the back. That works through all of the products we're sharing today. And on the back of Cheshire Cat is Curiouser and Curiouser. So really fun. It's a great way to bring that decor into your home. And you can put this up on the walls if you wanted to. We were talking about the fact that when you really look at something that is dishwasher and microwave safe, that's a nice pairing.
I like it.
You know, just doing that, Tamara, we could break this up and give this as gifts.
Oh,
so if
how
you've
great
got
would that
someone
be?
who loves, you know, whether you know it's a teacher or a student, or you want to give these as gifts, this is a wonderful pairing. Just like that, maybe place a couple of cookies or place a couple of teas and wrap this in some cello wrap. That's a great gift right there.
And very unique. It's a very unique gift as well.
And high quality.
And you can do the same thing with any of the four characters.
That works so well together. I love that just like that. But I was sharing earlier, you can also start to realize that this is artwork that you can put in your home. So I love to hang plates. And you can get the little hanging, the wire cake, excuse me, the wire plate hangers where you can affix this to the wall. Why? Because now if you're doing a nursery and you want Alice in Wonderland to be the theme,
what a great idea!
You could have this on the wall because they're precious.
Yeah.
I mean, they're just the right size.
Yeah.
The unusual shape that they have allows you to arrange these on the wall. And I even have an easel back at the little table that we were starting at where you can have this standing up. Now, can you see this in your curio case?
Yes.
In your cabinet, the china cabinet, if you have a cabinet where you want this a little bit more on display. But it's all about bringing the magic and the wonder of Alice through the looking glass in your home, through the plates.
And you can do it so easily. So we're offering them separately, either 4 of the mugs or 4 of the plates.
Your choice.
But again, go ahead and get them both if you can. They are an event price, and you do have flex pay on them. So it just makes it that much easier when you are like wanting to build a collection. And these are the kind of things, like I said, I know you haven't seen the movie yet. It comes out this Friday, May 27th.
Right.
But what's gonna happen is you're gonna go see the movie, you're gonna fall in love with it, and then you're gonna come back to HSN and you're gonna say, wait a minute, they're gone. Wait, the plates are gone. Wait, the mugs are gone.
You made my heart skip a beat. That would be so sad.
That's what happens. That's what happens. So you can go ahead and order these now. You'll have them in about a week, and you get a chance to take a piece of that. And these may be your favorite characters. You know, from the Mad Hatter. These are characters that have really lived and really, you know, flourished in our imagination for kids of all ages. So it might be for your kids, they're very new. But for you, you remember the Cheshire Cat and that sly smile. You remember the Red Queen, and well, she's very unforgettable.
Her domineering way. And I'm not being overly ginger with these. You can see, you know, I'm really handling these and not being afraid of them.
Yeah.
Because, you know, if you're a mom or you're running your house, you don't want to have to be ginger with these. You're going to throw them in the dishwasher, use them all the time, but it's just a little bit different. And if you know how I am about entertaining, I'm all about being prepared and having lots and lots of extra plates. You're not going to pass out if something breaks, though it does look like a collector's item, and it is. It's not so precious that if you break one, it's the end of the world. You could even replace it easily. So use them often, especially now that the movie's coming out, and be the coolest mom or grandmom or hostess that has something like this.
Absolutely.
And who would know the value?
And I even love that we have them on a tray right here. We don't even have any anything in them.
Right.
Even empty. The plates and the mugs look so good.
They're outstanding.
And a lot of, you know, with our basic plates and mugs, they don't look good empty. They look like they're begging for food. This one,
looks good.
These just look good just the way they are.
Put your pencils in there. You can do that.
We've even mixed them in with some a little bit more delicate pieces, some pieces that are a little bit more whimsical, so that you can see we've got the David's cookie jar back there. We've got some Royal Albert pieces coming up as well. But do you see how they just work because it's about the character? So if you are at all, you're saying, you know, I really like those. I really kind of want them. I don't want you to wait too long, because these are the kind of things that go so fast that you blink and you miss it.
Oh, you'll get so upset. And I'll tell you, we're already selling out of some things. I had items a couple of hours ago that were selling out. I want to show you how you can beautifully display this.
Shall we head back over?
Let's head back over.
Okay.
I want to share with you how you can display this so easily. I found this beautiful little easel. So if you want to have this in your curio case on a sideboard and really bring the magic of the movie to your home, you can do that like this. You see? You can have it just like that. Is it centered? There we go. So have them on display, because this is a beautiful little piece of art. And it's a little more sophisticated than simply the t-shirt.
Right.
Or the DVD. Yes. And I'm sure the dolls are going to be lovely, but I want to have something nice. And of course, we're sharing so many of the lovely desserts that we're going to be presenting in the next, couple of hours. I was just talking with the gal who's going to be sharing those precious cookies, the one that look like little teapots. And you'll want to put this on a lovely plate like this.
Absolutely.
And serve your tea this way.
And really, truly use these pieces, love them, enjoy them. What's better than having your morning cup of coffee or tea with the Mad Hatter?
And you never have enough.
You might be, this might be how you feel every day when you wake up anyway.
You never have enough of the mugs, right? You feel like you want something large. And we're all drinking a little bit more. You're making a larger cup of coffee in the morning anyway, so 16 ounces.
Love it.
That's 2 cups.
Very nice. And it feels good in your hand. Feels good to hold on to. We've got both sets this morning, the set of 4 of the mugs or a set of 4 of the plates. If you can, go ahead and get them both. Alexandra, thank you, as always, and we'll see you throughout the morning.
Absolutely.
All right.